Hello, and welcome to my channel. I'm Nash. Today we're gonna sit down. We are gonna talk about 10 products I would buy first if all of my makeup was lost or stolen or disappeared off the face of the earth. Maybe the aliens came down and took my makeup products up to their UFOs, I don't know. These would be the 10 makeup products that I would go out and would be my first purchases so I could complete a full face of makeup. These would be them, hands down. Like, I could live with these 10 products for the rest of my life and be fine with it. So if you're curious to see what 10 products I would choose, then make sure you just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I saw this video going around. Do you think I can remember who I saw filming it? Not a clue. I don't remember. I wrote it down like I wanted to film the video and I can't remember who it was that I saw, so I apologize. I can't give them credit or let you guys know. If anybody knows who is the first person to do this, let me know down below, I guess. Let's see. To start, we'll go in order of like how I would normally do my face. So let's start with my foundation. The first foundation, my absolute favorite, nothing will ever even come close to comparing to this foundation, is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup. I'm in the shade 1W2 Sand. This foundation, you have dry skin, that's fine. It's gonna be full coverage, it's gonna be matte, but it's not gonna make you dry. You have oily skin, this is gonna make you matte, it's gonna keep your oils in bay. You have normal skin, it's gonna look even probably better on you. It stays, you could wear this, so I could wake up 6 o'clock in the morning. I could put this on my face at 6 o'clock in the morning. I could go about my day, I could be, gosh, I could probably go to the gym, come home, 10 o'clock at night, be like, wow, I'm so tired, I'm not gonna be able to wash my makeup off before bed, pass out in the bed, wake up at 6 o'clock the next morning, look in the mirror, great, don't have to do your makeup today, because my foundation's still on my face. Like, this lasts through everything. It lasts so long, it doesn't budge. You can be doing karate and this would last through it. Like, this is the best foundation. Somebody's looking for a new foundation, like a full this is very full coverage. If somebody's looking for a full coverage foundation, first thing I go to, I don't even think about anything else. I'm just like, Double Wear. You need it, everyone needs it. I love this foundation. So if you're in the market for a new foundation, full coverage foundation that's gonna last you forever, this is the only one you need. I'm almost out too, and this is so expensive. So I'm like, I don't wanna go pick it back up, but like I have to because it's the only foundation that does anything. Next product I want to talk about, we've all heard it, the Tarte Shape Tape. Now I am like more or less out of this. I have a little bit left, so I've been using it to like carve out my eyebrows and prime my eyelids, but I'm almost out of it. It's expensive. For us in Canada, it's $35 to buy this guy. So I picked up the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and I've only tried it a couple times, so I don't have a full opinion yet. This may or may not be as good as the Tarte Shape Tape. I can't say that yet because I haven't used it enough. So I'm gonna go with the Tarte Shape Tape for now. This goes on, stays on all day, same with like the Double Wear. So if you have those together, like you are locked in place. And then this, I'm gonna just jump into the next product really quickly, is the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. So if you have these 3 products, like these are the 3 products I wore on my wedding day and they didn't budge, they won't budge. If you have these 3 products in your life and need something long wearing, these 3 products, do I have to say it? These 3 products will run you probably about $130 approximately. They're that good. Like I would pay that time and time again. Minus the Shape Tape because I'm trying out the ColourPop and that might be just as good. But Shape Tape, complete full coverage, like nothing's peeking through. It sets really well without looking too drying on my under eyes, which is really nice. And then I come in and I'll set it, either bake, depending if it's summer or winter, I'll bake with the Laura Mercier. And you get so much in here, like it's expensive, but it lasts you so long because your tub is so huge. So you really only have to buy this, like, I don't know, I think I'm going on over a year now and I haven't had to repurchase this yet. So I would recommend this. This is the best powder. A powder that's similar for a drugstore price would be the Maybelline Fit Me. I love that powder as well. This still, I'm not gonna lie, is a little bit better though, I found. But if you are looking for something a little bit cheaper, can't afford this, the Maybelline Fit Me is really, really great as well, and I really recommend that. I wear that a lot of the times as well. Next thing, I'm going to talk about the brows. You guys have heard me mention this like time and time again. This is the Brow Gal by Tonya Crooks, and it is a convertible, it's called the Convertible Brown Hair 02, and it's a wet and dry convertible powder and pomade duo. So you can use this dry, just as a basic eyebrow powder, or you can use it wet to make like a pomade effect. I absolutely love this powder. It lasts on my eyebrows all day long. It shapes them out perfectly. It's like the perfect colors for me in here. So I love this. I will rebuy this when I do eventually run out of this and hit pan. I'll definitely be repurchasing this because I adore it. I love this for my eyebrows. This is the only thing I use for my eyebrows, and except today, I'm not wearing this today. I filmed a full face using Shop Miss A products, which are $1 makeup products, but I'm using something different for my brows today. But this, I only use this. I mean, unless I'm doing a full face of something or have to use something else. Brow Gal, I love it. Okay, this is item 5. So this is a blush by Pretty Vulgar. I've only had this in my collection for like a month or two. So Make Them Blush Hush Blush in shade 18. 18 Hush Blush. It is so pigmented. Like, you need the smallest amount. I don't know if that's gonna show up. It's right here. You need the smallest amount on your cheeks, so it's gonna last you such a long time because you really hardly need to pick any of it up. And it's just such a beautiful color. Like, this color I think would look stunning on any skin tone. Like, I can't see this not working for any skin tone, up to like porcelain to deep, well, maybe not deep dark, but I would say up to pretty deep. This will work, and it's such a gorgeous shade. Blends out beautifully. Like, it's such like a creamy texture. Like, I just want to like touch it because it feels so good just in the pan. You know, I love it. I love that blush. Highlight, I'd pick up, do they still sell this, or was this limited edition? I'm still not 100% sure. This is the Sugar Glow Kit by ABH Anastasia. You get 4 highlights. They're absolutely all stunning, and you get like the warm tones and the pink tones, so you can kind of help with like any look you're really wanting. If you're wanting like more of like a pinky highlight or more of a golden highlight, you have that all in here. And it's such a good price for what you get in here that I would definitely, this would be my first highlight set that I would buy, and I'd be fine. Like, I could just live with these 4 highlights and be set for life. So number 7, I'd pick up the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, because this has, if you need some highlighting on your under eyes, you can highlight with that. It also has some different setting powders, so if you need for different clients, or you're just looking for a different color, maybe you're a little tan and you don't have a setting powder that matches, you can kind of pick between here. Main thing I like it is the contour shade is absolutely perfect for me. And then if I really don't need a bronzer, because I can dip into this middle shade and bronze with that. And these 2 shades, contour, bronze, you're done. You're done. That's all. That's all you need for that. All in one palette. So I absolutely adore this palette. I'm running low on my contour shade, and I know you can buy the single pans now, but like the new palettes are like expensive, so I don't know, maybe I'll just buy the single pan with the contour. But I love that palette. I've had it forever too, like 2-3 years or something, and it still has not run me out, and I use it almost every day. Next thing I would pick up is a pair of lashes. Now, I'm not a person that has like a particular pair of lashes that I'm like, oh, I need these. Da, da, da. I would just buy something like basic. So like Ardell Demi Wispies, or these are the AOA Studios in Alexis. Same sort of thing. These are the Ardell Demi Wispies. Just something basic. Oh no, this is just wispies. These aren't demi wispies, these are just wispies. Just something basic where you can just throw on. I don't really need like an eyeshadow to go with it or anything like that. I can just throw it on and go. Then those would definitely be like the lashes I would pick up. 9 would be this ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip in Echo Park. This is my perfect nude. I can wear this when I'm just wearing like concealer, brows, blush. I'll throw this on just to give my lips some sort of color. Right there. I just love it. It lasts a long time. It's not uncomfortable because it's not like a drying matte. It's more of a satin matte, hence the Ultra Satin Matte. But I absolutely love this. I've had this forever too, and it's lasted me forever, and it's like my go-to lipstick because it's just the perfect nude for me. So, but definitely, they're $6. You can't really pass that up. Mascara. I need to talk about mascara. Mascara's downstairs. I don't really have any like amazing mascaras that I like need, honestly. I've really been liking, of course I'm not gonna be able to find it. Oh, here it is. I've really been liking the Double Decker Lashes mascara. The only thing is, it's kind of like chunky, like, but I like the effect it gives my lashes. You just have to be careful because the wand is really chunky and the formula is kind of like clumpy. So if you get too carried away, like what I usually do is take it out and then like wipe off the sides of it, because otherwise there's just too much on the wand. But if you have a good amount, it'll coat your lashes and make your lashes look really nice. It doesn't flake, it doesn't like wear off or like run. So I really like this mascara. So that would be my 10th item, I think. Yeah, that would be my 10th item because I need mascara with my lashes. And I don't really need, like, I'm not a person that needs shadows, and if I did, like, I've used this Kat Von D palette for like a whole like quick little look on my eye, so I could use that for like a quick crease color or like something just to set the lid. I would use something like this, so that's why I pick up this palette too, because it's so versatile. But yeah, so those are my 10 products that I would buy first if the UFOs came and took my makeup, or, you know, I just lost them or something. UFOs, I mean aliens, I mean, a little more logical, I think, than just losing your makeup. If you enjoyed this video, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. I do post a new video every Tuesday and Thursday on the channel, so you don't want to miss out on that. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. Let me know down below what would be your first top 10 products that you would buy if the aliens took all your makeup. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Otherwise, we will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.